Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. My name is breeeleann. If you're new here, welcome. We are a channel where we are growing, thriving, getting our life together, and losing weight. All of that. So today we are going to the gym. We are going to do the Stairmaster for, I'm gonna aim for an hour. But yesterday was brutal. So we'll see. And then we have some fun stuff coming up this weekend. We are going to the beach, so stay tuned for that. I don't know if I want to do a travel vlog or just put it into this weight loss series because I woke up 209, skinny legend. I know. I kid. But let's go to the gym. So I hit the emergency stop on the Stairmaster. I think, I was right at it, 45. So I'm gonna do the last 15. I hate that. I did that yesterday like 5 times. So hey y'all, so we have left the house finally. We got about 2 hours left to go to get to Charleston. We're going to stop at Tropical Cafe. Y'all, so the smoothie I wanted had like 680 calories, and I wasn't gonna do that to myself, so I got the mango fruit. I think it's like 400 calories. Still too much, but it's the best option. All right, guys, so we made it to Charleston, Geechee Town, and we missed the liquor store. So of course, you know, I had to emphasize, what is it called? Emphasize? Y'all know what I mean. Y'all know I can't say no words. And I got these hard seltzers. Let me show y'all. I never had them before. Bravazi? I think that's what it's called. And they are, how much are they? 160 calories each. Oh, we'll see. It says real fruit. Looks good. But yeah. And then we got a bottle of wine, and I never had a buzz ball before. I don't know how many calories are in those. They don't even have them on the thing. So we'll see about that too. But we're about to chug them. Chug. Hey y'all, it's day 2 in Charleston, and we're about to go to Miller's Cafe, I want to say, and then go to the beach. So let's go.
It's not that I don't want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees,
Y'all, we tried to go to the Miller, and it was like an hour and a half wait. I got the Santaroni Sunset drink, and then I think I'm thinking about a pancake for sure, or French toast. The French toast looks good. I'll probably do the French toast. It's called Turkish coffee French toast. And some eggs.
All I wanna hear is in the visions I regret. Someone next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My high brought my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. But we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I regret. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
A 10 out of 10. You guys should definitely try it out when you're in Charleston, South Carolina. It's called the Cooper, I believe. I think that's what it was called. And the ambiance is good. The weather was bad, so the pool area, the bar was closed, but it definitely is a vibe. Now we're going to go to Carmela's, I believe, to get some dessert. But yeah, drinking another one of the Bravazzi, I think it's called. And I thought it was 130 calories. It's actually 160. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to go to the gym when I get back. But pull up, y'all. Pull up.
What's your name? Can I get my grown man on point? Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be hanging with Jay-Z. Jay-Z. What's your name? Can you come hang with me? Possibly. That's right. Can I take you?
We came to Carmela's, and it's called Carmela's Cafe and Dessert Bar. It looks really good, so we'll see if it's good. I know I'm gonna regret this, but I promise I'm going to the gym when I get back home. I promise. I think it's called Cannoli. I want to say it's cannoli, but that one is really good. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna get one more bite. Look. That's really good. And then I got the olive oil cake, which I'm pretty sure that one is good too. So let me try that one. This is the olive oil. It's very light. It's not too sweet either. I like it.
What's your name? I see some ladies tonight that should be rolling with Jason. Jason. Lady, what's your name? I see some ladies tonight that should be rolling with Jason. Jason. Everybody's like, he's no item. He don't like him.
That's really good.
He one night so now she don't like him. She never met him. Ruby's trying to take advantage of him.
This is scary.
So he treats him better than the
I'm so scared. Oh my god, it's moving.
He's not having that. So those opposites attract like
this is scary. I don't know why it's so scared. It's so pretty though.
She gets a glimpse of Sean and she likes that. He two ways her, so she writes back. smiley faces after all of her phrases. Either she the one or I'm caught in the matrix. Well, fuck it, let the fish burn. Red or green pill, you live and you learn.
With a large rainbow on the end of it. The great old Johnson. For Johnson.
I gotta work out tomorrow. Tonight? No, tomorrow, yes.
A single border shell was that easy.
Got those Scooby.
Hey guys, so we're going back home today from Charleston, and I wanted to get some matcha. And I seen this place on TikTok that said they had a banana pudding matcha, so we'll see. It's called Harlow and Pearl.
Yeah. Ice. Yeah. Manish on the beach, shebang. All of my ops say dead. Why do they gas me up? Where does it go? My head. How much I got? A lot. Don't leave again, I won't. Thinking and trying me do like Bryson. Said this nigga and don't. Can I forgive? I can't. What do I need? Some head. Shorty keep asking a date. She trying to finesse Polly Market for bread. Where's the beef? It's cooked.
Okay, y'all, so I made it back to Charlotte. That trip was so fun. Maybe we can, when I get back home, I can talk to y'all about what we did and what the experience was like. But really, really, really nice trip. Quick weekend trip. And then right now, I need to get my tags right because my tags are bad. So I'm gonna go to Take 5 to get an oil change, and then also I'm going to, get an inspection, and then I'm going to go to the nail salon to get my toes and nails done. So let's go. And then I think after today, I'm going to close this vlog out. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do a travel vlog for Charleston, because I really didn't focus on my weight loss for this one. It was really just a travel vlog. I ate what I wanted to eat, and I drank, but I did drink like high noons and little seltzers instead of really sugary drinks. I think I had about 2, maybe 3 drinks that were sugary. So hopefully, my weight, I'm not back to 216 after 2 days, but you never know. Quite literally never know. So let's go ahead, go get our oil changed and all that good stuff, and then I'll hit y'all back up when I'm probably back at the salon.
Your secret safe with me. I will
y'all. So, you know, I just tried to get my nails done. Look at that. It never fails. I need to find me some, and then don't get me started on my toes. You know how maybe I just need to find, I can't talk. I'll talk to y'all when I get home. Real mad. Okay, y'all, so I wanted to update you guys on Charleston. I just got back yesterday, so you know I had to catch up on my Z's, and I'm about to upload a vlog, the week 3 vlog for the weight loss. So Charleston was so much fun. It was a really nice little weekend getaway. It's only about 3 hours from where I stay in Charlotte, and we didn't make it to the beach. I thought it would be bad weather, but it wasn't that bad. It did rain off and on, but that's typical Charlotte. I mean, typical Charleston, you know, weather. So we went to, I'll have to tag the hibachi place that we went to. It was really good. And they actually put bacon in their fried rice. I never had bacon in my, I mean, I don't eat pork, so I would have ate it and not even know because I wasn't paying attention. But luckily I caught it, and it was so good. The hibachi I rated like 8 out of 10. And then, but they did put too much sauce on, I think it was like a shrimp bang bang, shrimp tempura bang bang. And it was just way too much sauce. So, but overall the hibachi was good. I got shrimp and scallop hibachi, and yeah. After that, we went to a place, a bar. I'm not really sure the name of the bar. It was a nice vibe. They had a live band. It was a mixture of people, and I was really surprised because the age range was like 20 to, I'll say 60s. So people were outside having fun. We had a couple drinks there. Then the next day, we went to this place called The Crossing. We tried to go to Miller's all day, but the reservations were like an hour and a half wait. It was too long of a wait, and I was hungry. So The Crossing was like this luxury hotel, and it was really, really pretty. It felt like it was like oceanfront type of vibe, oceanfront dinner, lunch, brunch, whatever you want to call it. And it was really, really nice. I went in and I took y'all will see, I took videos, so many videos of the place. It had a rooftop bar, what's it called? An infinity pool. It was really, really nice, and I highly recommend it. And the food was good too. My French toast was French toast was nasty, so it was bland. It really wasn't hitting on nothing, so I will say that. But everything else was really good. The drinks were good too. Then we went to Carmela's, I believe. And that's like a dessert spot. I got olive oil cake. There was a Biscoff cheesecake, and then one other type of cake. It was like a vanilla chocolate, and that was pretty good. And they were very decorated, very, very beautifully. And if you're a sweets type of person, that olive oil cake is like, it's not too sweet. And I like olive oil cake. I don't know about y'all, but that was pretty good because it wasn't sweet at all. It was just my type of sweet, my type of cake. So then after that, we went to, where else did we go? I want to say it was Pimento. Maybe it was Pimento to get an espresso martini. They had an advertisement talking about the best espresso martini in Charleston. It was all right. Then we went on a boat ride. The boat ride was fun. We tried to get so messed up on the boat ride. But that was a nice sunset vibe. I think it's called a sunset boat ride. And that was nice. We sat by the little chaps, so they were all running around and stuff. And then after that, we went to Gullah and Grooves. So Gullah and Grooves was really, really good, especially that, I want to say it was a clam, maybe some type of soup they got. It was really, really good.
Food was seasoned, hot. It came out fresh and nice. So that was 10 out of 10. And they had a live band playing all the hits. So it was overall a really, really nice trip. Food was good. And I really enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next week.